Next up, we have the author of Stop the Pain, Your Hands-On Manual for Neck and Back Relief. Welcome to the stage, Vienna Schmidt.
Amari.
Hi, Vienna.
Thank you.
So, tell us about Stop the Pain. What made you write this, and what's it about?
Well, I'm a massage therapist, and so I see daily people who are in pain. And I got tired of doing the fix that wouldn't last very long, and I found a method that through releasing muscles, we can stop pain in minutes and have it gone for good.
Wait, minutes and gone for good?
Yes.
I've heard of stop it in minutes and it'll come back in a little bit. So take 2 of these and come back in the morning, right? So tell us about that process, the process that you take people through to actually help stop the pain.
And you're right, it is a process I take people through, and I like to instruct them as I do it. And that's part of how the book came to be, as I needed something to send home with people so they could remember the strategies of taking muscles, take a painful spot, and take it toward comfort, rather than we're so focused on pain. And when I'm walking down the hall, I usually wind up in the direction I'm facing. So if I want to get to comfort, I need to look at comfort. So think where comfort is, take that muscle there, it fills with blood. It's no longer in the backyard crying in the rain. It gets to come in the house and be happy.
Wow. So let me get this straight. You help people to stop the pain, and then you show them how to also stop it on their own. How have we not found you before? What?
Took me a little while to be ready to write, but here we are.
So tell us about that. What was the thing that kept you from writing this book sooner?
I didn't really even realize that I had a book to write. I was going to do a children's story about this little story of in the backyard crying in the rain. And I came across Angela's masterclass. And I thought, oh yeah, let me see. And halfway through she said, actually, we don't do children's books. We only do nonfiction. I was crushed. And I was learning so much, though, that I went through to the end of the video and had this aha moment. Oh my goodness, I need to write a big people book. And here it is.
I need to write a big people book. You are adorable. I'm going to remember that forever. If you need to write a big people book, we'll tell you how to do that later too. So what was the process like for you? Like, describe, I guess, your author mojo. Like, do you tend to write in the same place? Do you, have a certain thing that you always have with you when you write? Like, what is the thing that you do that makes it easy for you to write?
Well, I find that I do better if I'm alone. So I would find a space that I could go and be alone, and often I would just write all night before a deadline. So I'm a burster, not a plodder.
Okay.
Yes, and Angela very graciously gave a beautiful gold mug. So I would put tea in my gold mug and set it beside me and have my little approved snacks so that my brain would still be online. And then I'd just write and write and write.
What were some of those approved snacks?
Oh, almonds, the whole nuts and seeds and fruit and
yeah. Okay. So
chocolate.
Oh.
Dark chocolate.
Big people approved snacks. Love it. So we have a question for you from the audience. Leah Holmes from Vancouver is curious to know if you ever felt like you weren't good enough or not qualified enough, and how you got past that feeling and actually stepped up to write the book.
Only about every other minute. Yeah. And it was just a matter of, oh my goodness, time is ticking, and my editor is waiting for this. And so it was just the press of an amazing support system that held space for me to be able to get it done. I would not have written this on my own, I'm confident.
Wow. Thank you for that. So, again, Vienna's book is Stop the Pain. If you have it, if you want to get rid of it, if you know someone with it, get this book and give it to them so that it will also work for them. So,
Yes.
Book now, download, go ahead, get it. It's free today, okay? You have no excuse to help yourself and other people stop the pain. Like, do it now. Just get the book, okay? Awesome.
Thank you,
Congratulations,
Lauren.
Vienna.
Thank you.